Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I will be going to show you guys how to remove unnecessary software from your Windows in one click. First, click on the start, type PowerShell, right click on the PowerShell and run it as administrator. Then here type this command, and enter. Okay, let me explain you guys what this command does. So whenever you're installing Windows on your PC and there are some unnecessary software which is getting installed during the Windows installation, so which make your PC performance a little bit slow. So by typing this command, you will be able to remove all. Here you see where it says remove all bloatware. So this will remove all unnecessary software from your PC and make your PC much faster. Even this can make your old PC performance much faster by removing all those softwares. Please, if you like the video, like and subscribe.